Hi, this is Noel from Homeqwik. I just want to talk about the software that we use and the processes that we use to help maintain the accounting and the maintenance of your property. We use nothing but great contractors, licensed when they're needed, and with great reviews here locally in Phoenix. Our vendors get the greatest reviews from our tenants. They're fast, they're responsive, and they work 24/7. So if an emergency comes up, we'll take care of it. We use a very good software called Propertyware that you'll have access to anytime you need to get in. This will allow vendors to upload pictures, your tenant to open a work order when necessary, and for us to track everything so that you can keep an eye on progress. All paperwork, all pictures, all invoices, everything is held in one place, and most of the accounting is automatic software, so it's really easy to understand and really easy for you to use.